Anta Records Entertainment on YouTube. So the thing said, Derby City Centre is it. Yeah man, heading to Belpa today. So man say, yeah man, big up all of my viewers and my subscribers there. Do remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Out here, YouTube. Mad thing I road. Man, arrangement at Dante Records out here, see me? Yeah man, Derby City Centre. So the thing said. Fresh blog, out. Yes guys, I'm just heading to the bus station now, is it? Yeah man, today me I take the bus. Is it? Bus ride. Yeah man, heading to Belpa today, is it me? Yeah man, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow us on Instagram at Dante Records, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Dante Records. Out. Yeah man, Derby bus station, is it me? That's the thing there. Is it me? Yeah man, I grab a bus now. I head out. Is it me answer? Yeah, straight, mad. Dante Records Entertainment, YouTube. Derby, you know.
I seen it earlier, I'm trying to tell him.
Where the yeah, sir. Derby settings, yo. National Express. And hold the base. And I'm going up to the Leisure Centre.
What, in Belpa?
Belpa, yeah.
Are you paying by card or are you paying
Cash.
cash?
Yeah.
£4.10 then.
Thank you very much. Cheers, boss. Man, heading to Belpa, is it? Yeah, man. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Cheers, boss. So I think said YouTube. Currently I move out and now is the man say. So I think setting up, man. Belpa settings. Yeah? Arrangement. Also I move now, so you don't know. Stay with us on this vlog. Maximum respect to my viewers and my subscribers. Out. Derby Road in Belpa. It's going through Belpa City Centre, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yes, sir, I just come out of the bus now, is what I say? Yeah man, in the street of Belpa now. You don't know so you think say Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. So me I say, yeah man, big up all of my fans them, all of my viewers them, all of my subscribers them. Yeah man, big up everyone that come out and comment on the channel, showing the love. You know what I mean? Bless up everyone that giving us the strength. Yeah, prosperity. So me I say, big up on yourself, exclusive blog. Arrangement out here again. Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Out, one. So guys, I'm just currently going to the train station, you know what I mean? Heading back to the city, you see me? Yeah man, Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Out here, arrangement, YouTube. Oneness, my viewers and my subscribers. Have a blessed day. Out. So guys, I'm currently now, you know what I mean? I go for my train now. Don't know, I saw it thing said. Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. So I say, big up all my viewers and my subscribers. So I say, I don't know, I saw it thing said. Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Yeah man, currently in Belpa. So I say, you see it. So just go and give thanks for the blessing, you see me? Yeah man, more strength. I'm wait off for the train now. Don't know, I saw it thing said. Don't know where I catch a Derby one. Thing said. Just wait off the train outside, I say, isn't it? Get back in a Derby. I don't know, I see it thing said. See it? Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube at Dante Records. Out. Mad. This guy's got like about 3 minutes before the train. You know what I mean? Yeah man, that's currently outside Belpa train station. About 3 minutes before the train. Is that what I feel? Is it? Keep clear, you know what I'm saying? I'm not certain, so. Yeah, man, so we're just currently waiting. You know what I mean? Outside cold. You know what I'm saying? Winter on the way, yo. You see what I'm saying? Dante Records Entertainment on YouTube. Yes guys, it seems like I'm a trainer coming now. You see what I'm saying? Trainer coming now, yo. So man, it seems like I hate this. Beating over here now. Then I trainer now, you see me? Head out to Derby. Just bless up my viewers and my subscribers. Give thanks and praises for the journey. You see me? I say, yeah man. From Derby to Belpa. You don't know the things said already. You see me? I say. Earlier I don't take the bus. Now we are take the train go back in. Because you don't know a certain thing said. Night and beat is it. Just give me the fire red. Arrangement out here. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Dante Records. 1. This train is for Derby. Calling at Derby. Yeah man, this train is for Derby. Calling at Derby. So you don't know, so that's straight in a Derby we are going. Is it answer? Dante Records Entertainment. YouTube. Much love to my viewers and my subscribers, you know. Thank you for supporting the channel. Yeah man, give thanks. Blessed love. Oneness. Arrangement. Out here. Mad. Yes guys, I'm currently reached at Derby train station, so head right out now. You see me I say? Dante Records Entertainment. You see me I say? YouTube. So the thing said. You see me? Yeah man. It's a blessed day early on, you see me? Yeah, we travel to Belfast. You don't know I say things said. The day out. See me? Yeah, I go in here now. Don't know I say things said. Time to reach home. Man, we out, exit. I saw things said. Dante Records Entertainment. YouTube. So, Derby, you know. The way I got you. Dante Records, as I say, so things said. YouTube. Give thanks and praises, you know what I mean? Yeah man, more strength. Within the street of Derby, you know, you see me I say? See, train station. See me? Yeah. Midland train station, so I make our way in, you see me? So big up all of my viewers and my subscribers them. Stay posted for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate the support you guys been giving us. Blessed love. Out for now. Arrangement 1.